The View section is a powerful tool that provides you with the complete overview of all purchase orders 24 hours, 7 days a week. You can either look at your own purchase orders, review all purchase orders, or do your search by departments or suppliers. In addition, you're able to organize your POs in various ways. You can sort the listings by PO numbers or by the most recent, least recent, or last modified PO. Furthermore, you are able to filter your selection here. As an example, if you only want to see the pending POs, you would click here. Or for the declined ones, you can click there. If your listing isn't detailed enough yet, you can also limit the view within a certain time frame. The last possibility is the use of the search box for certain keywords. As you can see at the bottom of the main window, there is always a display of the net total of all POs in your current selection. That way you can create your cost estimates in no time. If you also decided to mark POs as paid, you can use a correspondent search option for that. If you click on this button, the system will show you paid POs only. Over here, the unpaid only. Please keep in mind, digital purchase order doesn't allow you the possibility to delete a PO completely. You can only void POs if you don't need them any longer. That means a PO can never get lost in this system and you will always find everything that you need.